mashed bananas. We already mashed it up. Some flour, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/3 cup of oil, and a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Let's get making. So first, we have to put the flour in this bowl.
Now mixing.
And now we put the baking powder, basically all of our dry ingredients.
Okay, I'm gonna put it. Oh, now you put
And then we're going to do our wet ingredients in this bowl with the bananas.
Hey, don't use that.
So we're gonna put our oil into the bananas, mashed bananas. And then we're gonna stir it.
I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna show you a trick that you can't even do your big one.
And then
Hey,
I am going to mix this solution
Hey,
and then
why
we're gonna
don't you
mix them
wanna-
together.
Why don't you want to do the same trick as me? Since you don't even know how to do that.
I'll go later. Okay, if you mix yours, I'll mix mine.
Have some trick.
Alright. Now we're going to take this and put it into here.
Yeah, and then Abby's gonna mix it all. He's gonna mix it all by himself.
You're not gonna help?
So
Or is it too oily?
I can help.
Okay, I should probably get this. This spoon isn't working.
Oh,
right.
stick.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, after a long time of mixing, you get this kind of consistency. Make sure you don't over mix it or else it won't turn out that good. And my brother over here is going to show you what he did. What did you do?
I put the flour and
So we put flour all around here so it won't stick to the pan. Dump this
into
into
here.
here.
Not dump it all. On. Whoa. Whoa. I'll get it too.
I'll just flatten it out.
About to mix.
Okay guys, we have finally finished laying out and spreading. Okay, so now, this, do we need it? No, okay. Just place it.
Okay, let's do.
I normally have a grown up do this.
Yes.
Okay. Place it. Okay. Now we're gonna let it cook at. Okay, guys. Now just looking at it. Oh, it's done. It's been a long time. Just when you smell burnt sugar, it's about done. So just gonna open this.
Be very careful.
Make sure you have an adult doing this. I'm just